Today we're adding a tropical accent to your kitchen. A lime mango loaf cake. Juicy mango puree, bright citrus zest. A tender, moist crumb. A quick lineup of what we need. 300 g frozen mango cubes. 2 whole limes. 300 g flour. 150 g sugar. 3 large eggs. 120 g clarified butter. 80 g oil. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. And a pinch of salt. The harmony of lime acidity and mango sweetness is what makes this recipe one you'll want to repeat again and again. Grate only the colored part of the zest. Avoid the bitter white pith. Cut the limes in half and squeeze out roughly 40 milliliters of juice. Pour the juice into a small saucepan. Add the sugar and frozen mango. Bring to a gentle boil. Then simmer for exactly 15 minutes. The fruit softens, the sugar dissolves. Blend until smooth and let the puree cool completely. Let's make the glaze. Powdered sugar and a bit of freshly squeezed orange juice. And just like that, grease the loaf pan lightly and dust with flour. This classic step guarantees a clean release and an intact crust. Crack the 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. And whip for about a minute until frothy. Add the cooled mango puree and the fresh lime zest. Beat until uniform. With the mixer still running, stream in the vegetable oil, followed by the warm, clarified butter. Sift together the dry ingredients, flour, salt, baking powder, and soda. Fold them into the wet base in 2 additions, mixing just until smooth. The batter should be silky and pourable. Transfer the batter to the prepared pan. This will give the cake its signature moisture and tropical aroma. And tap it lightly to level the surface, and release large air pockets. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, top-bottom heat. No fan, for 30 minutes. A wooden skewer inserted in the center must come out clean. Cool the cake in the pan for 10 minutes. Then unmold onto a rack and let it finish cooling completely. Coat the top and sides of the cake in a thin, even layer. Smoothing with an offset spatula. Caramelize lightly with a kitchen torch for golden highlights. And a hint of toasted sugar aroma. Finish with a few drops of mango jam for brightness. and a sprinkle of fresh lime zest for fragrance. Slice the first piece. The knife glides through the crisp meringue, tender crust, and moist springy crumb. The warm scent of mango and lime rises immediately. And that's it. A tropical loaf that shines at breakfast with coffee, or stands out as an elegant after-dinner dessert. Try it yourself and taste the sunshine. Enjoy!